All right. Hi, kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our problem solving lesson that we're going to be doing today, Tuesday, May 5th. This one is about Marissa, and she is making some bracelets. So I thought I'd show you a picture of some cool friendship bracelets that Marissa might be making. So we don't know how many bracelets she's making, but let's think about what's happening in our story. Marissa made some bracelets. She loved them so much, she did not give any away. So, what do you think is happening in the story? She made a bunch of bracelets. We don't know how many yet, but she loved them so much she's giving zero away. So, when you give something away, think about what operation that is giving you a hint to solve for. So, think about what that means. Let's take a look at what question we're going to be asking about Marissa's bracelets. Marissa made some bracelets. She loved them so much she did not give any away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? So we are finding out how many bracelets she has now. Let's take a look at this with some numbers. Marissa made 8 bracelets. She loved them so much she did not give any away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? So that is the one that you are going to be solving for first. That will be your first number set. And I just wrote it another way here to help you think about it. So let's read it one more time and then we'll read it with these other number sets as well. Marissa made 8 bracelets. She loved them so much she gave 0 away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? We know if we're not giving any away that that's the same as saying 0, giving 0 away. So that's the first one that you're going to solve. And then you're going to substitute these bigger numbers into your problem solving sentences, and you're going to show us how you can solve this one. So let's think about it with these numbers. 15. Let's say Marissa made 15 bracelets and she loved them so much, but she still gave 5 bracelets away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? Let's think about this one. The second number set that's right here for us. Marissa made 19 bracelets. She was very busy making lots of bracelets, 19 of them. She loved them so much, but she gave 9 bracelets away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? So you have 3 number models that you're going to solve for me on the 3 separate pages on Seesaw. I would love for you to do this work all by yourself and use that video filming feature, the recording feature that's showing us the steps that you're taking. And as you're taking the steps to draw your math picture, I want you to be explaining to us, just like if we were sitting next to you in the classroom, tell us what you're drawing. What are those 10 frames that you're making? Or what are those shapes that you're making representing? And explain your thinking because your teachers are getting ready to write report cards for you for the end of the school year. And we need to see how well you're doing recording your thinking on your own. So, this is one we don't want your moms and dads to solve with you. We want you to show us how you can solve this one completely by yourself. And it's okay if it's not perfect. It's okay if it's not right. That gives your teacher some good information about what things you're still working on and what things that you already understand. And if you use that record feature on Seesaw, then we'll be able to see the steps that you take. And you can also be explaining your thinking as you go. So that might take a little bit longer for you to do it that way. But we want to see step by step how you're solving that so that we as teachers can see what part of this you're understanding and what things that you need a little bit more help and support from us with. All right, we can't wait to see your great work, kids.